Hey everyone! If you're debating between Notion and Apple Notes, let's dive deep, starting with Notion. Notion is much more than a traditional note-taking app. It's an all-in-one productivity and knowledge management platform. You can create databases, Kanban boards, calendars, tables, dashboards, wikis, and journals all within a single workspace. It allows you to organize your work and personal life in one place, from tracking projects and tasks to storing research notes or building your personal second brain. Notion supports rich content like text, images, embeds, code blocks, files, and even formulas and tables. You can link pages together, create templates, and set up automation with buttons or integrations, making it highly customizable. Collaboration is another strong point. Teams can comment, edit, and assign tasks in real time, with fine-grained permissions for pages or databases. You can track project progress using different views like table, board, gallery, list, and timeline, which makes it perfect for teams, freelancers, or even individuals managing complex workflows. Notion also integrates with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and even AI tools like ChatGPT, allowing for smarter workflows and productivity automation. Apple Notes, by contrast, is simpler and more streamlined, designed primarily for quick note-taking within the Apple ecosystem. You can jot down ideas, create checklists, sketch, attach photos, document, or links, and everything syncs automatically across your iPhone, iPad, and Mac via iCloud. It's extremely fast and responsive, making it ideal for capturing ideas on the go. Collaboration exists, you can share notes with others, but it's basic and lacks the advanced structure, relational databases, and flexible views that make Notion so powerful for larger projects or long-term knowledge organization. If you're looking for a lightweight, fast, and Apple-centric solution, Apple Notes is excellent. But if your goal is flexibility, long-term project and knowledge management, team collaboration, and a highly customizable workspace, Notion stands out as the clear winner. It's ideal for students, professionals, creators, and anyone who wants to consolidate their notes, projects, tasks, and resources into one central hub. If you want to supercharge your productivity, organize complex projects, and manage both personal and professional life in one place, I highly recommend diving into Notion. Explore its templates, databases, and AI integrations, and see how it can transform your workflow.